Right, so we have with us Dr. Shobhit Chekia from Lucknow, and he'll be sharing his heart talks with us. And let me share with you, sir, Mankind has started an initiative, Act at 30, which is probably the biggest hypertension awareness and screening initiative. So we'll be taking your opinions on certain perspectives. So why is India seeing such a surge of hypertension and CV disorders in adults under 30? And what gaps do you see in the current screening programs?
Indians, their genetic makeup, have always been at a higher risk of cardiovascular disease, particularly the coronary artery disease and hypertension. This surge is basically because we are more diagnosing them. They have been there, and we are now more diagnosing them.
Right.
And the gaps are there because the hypertension doesn't have any symptoms, and
Right.
it is a mostly we say as a silent killer.
Right.
So these patients, and these are usually the productive years, and these
Right.
people are usually having various stress, particularly in the form of for social and other, and they are predisposed to have, because in that they are also being exposed to various dietary habits, addictions, and all. All these things,
Right.
the stress, they all contribute to this
Right.
hypertension, and they are not being screened.
Right, sir.
So and being asymptomatic, so they doesn't consult any doctor, so they are being missed.
Right. So coming on to the screening, why do you feel age 30 is the right threshold to initiate CV screening for Indians?
As we all know, the maximum heart myocardial infarction and coronary artery disease, they are bit earlier in Indians. We see at age 40. So 30 is being in which we expect the risk factor would be present in these patients. And by screening at this age, 30 or earlier, we can pick up these
Right.
patients and have a preventive approach to them, and we can diagnose those who are at higher risk for developing the coronary artery disease
Right.
and this factors.
So, sir, if anyone at 30 goes for a first time heart check, what should that package include beyond BP measurement?
It should include the lipid measurement, ECG, and screening echo, because in youngs we can miss and the cardiomyopathies, hypertrophic cardiomyopathies, and other we can miss.
Right.
And also the KFT, because many a times and also the urine routine, the proteinuria may be going on, and we can
Right.
miss, because they all these, and also along with that the blood sugar monitoring should
Very rightly said, sir. So, what impact would early screening at 30 have on preventing the downstream complications in the future, like heart failure, stroke, and kidney disease, in your opinion?
So these heart disease, heart failure, stroke, and kidney failure all have common predisposing conditions like obesity, hypertension, dyslipidemia, and by detecting these risk factors and countering them, we can prevent these complications later in the life.
Right. So, Dr. Shobhit, if you had to give one clear message to the physicians and to the youth on why we must act at 30, what would that be?
uh, uh, we should aware we should give a clear message to particularly the attendants of patients, those who are coming. They should have a BP measurement at least once, and they should also get their BMI checked, whether
Right.
it is falling in the overweight or obese range or not, and also they do the lipid check and blood sugar check, so that they can be screened.
Right. So, thank you, Dr. Shobhit, for sharing your insightful opinions. So, that was Dr. Shobhit Chekia from Lucknow sharing his heart talks on the sidelines of the Rhythm Summit. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, sir. So, we'll be posting